Hey, what's up everybody? Wanted to make another quick video to show you how you can make full use of the reusable session that you have in SquadCast. So we're here on our dashboard page and we have our list of sessions on the right, and we can schedule new sessions here on the left as well as connect our podcast. But we have this reusable session up here at the top, and I have some prior sessions to show the full list here. But the reusable session's special. So it's always going to be here at the top of your list. And that's because you can always use it anytime you'd like. Whereas the sessions that you schedule, they have a date and a time, and that's usually going to pass. And that's illustrated here in the color change of our dates in the list, where all future or upcoming sessions are gold, and the old sessions will kind of fall in the list, and you can access them anytime by scrolling down. But the reusable session is exactly that. You can use it, and it does not have a date and time associated with it because it's reusable. And that allows you to use the link. You can copy the link to the clipboard here, and that allows you to always have the same link be usable anytime you want somebody to join you in a session on SquadCast. That link is always going to be the same and work for you future forward. So if you use a scheduling service like Calendly or Acuity or some of the other things out there that help you with scheduling with your guest, you can have full confidence that the link that you put into those systems, the reusable session guest invite link, will always work future forward. And then when the time comes for your interview with that person that's scheduled with you through Calendly, let's say, you can join them by quickly accessing the reusable session, clicking the join button here, and that will connect you with the guest who used that link from your scheduling platform. So that is a quick lap around the reusable session, how it's useful, and how you can make full use of it. Thanks.